so I came up from Mississippi to help her out.
You're not...
Married? Heavens, no. I'm an old school teacher.
You're not old.
Why, thank you.
So you teach grade school or high school?
Mitch!
Coming!
Oh my, what lung power. Oh my. I teach high school back home.
What do you teach?
Yes, dear.
I bet order music. What about arithmetic?
Heavens, no. Sadly, I teach English. I get to teach kids Hawthorne, Whitman, and Poe.
Well, they are kids. They ain't interested.
At least they're sweet kids, making their very first discovery of love.
Good job. Go home, please.
Stella, watch out!
Oh my Lord.
Be quiet or someone is getting to hear us.
You touch me, ow.
She's gone, John.
Stella, no! You're pregnant!
That bottle's gonna break.
I just gotta get out of here.